In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Arduino IDE on your laptop or PC running on Windows 10 or 11. Arduino IDE is the official software used to program Arduino board, and it is very beginner friendly. First, open your favorite browser. You can use Chrome, Edge or any browser you prefer, and in the search bar just type Arduino IDE, and the first link that will appear is usually from Arduino CC, which is the official Arduino website. Just click on that link and it will take you to the Arduino software. On Arduino software page, you will see a section for Arduino IDE, and just click on cross for cookies if you don't want to accept it, and scroll down and you will see the download button. You can just click on the drop down and select your operating system. I'm just gonna go with Windows because I'm using Windows, so I'll just click on download. And as you can see, our setup exe file will start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And now that it's done, I'll just click on it to open the setup wizard for Arduino. Once the download is complete, just click on I agree for license agreement. After that, you'll be able to choose whether you wish to make this software available to all users or just yourself. You can just go with only for me and just click on next, and you can choose your destination folder. I'm just gonna go with a folder, and after choosing your destination folder, just click on install and just wait for the Arduino to be installed. And once the installation is complete, you will see a message that says completing Arduino IDE setup. You can also toggle on run Arduino IDE and click on finish. And after the Arduino is launched, I'll just maximize it for clearer view. Just click on allow if prompted, and you will see a clean interface with a blank sketch and several buttons, and it will also prompt you to install the device software. Just click on install and click on install once again. Just click on install and install if prompted once again. You will see several buttons. These are upload and this is verify, and you will even get to go to files and choose to open our new sketch. These buttons allow you to write code, compile it and upload it to your Arduino board. But before you can start uploading sketches, you need to connect your Arduino hardware. Plug your Arduino board into your PC using a USB cable. Then just open Device Manager by just right clicking on the Start menu and go to Device Manager. From here all the way down, you will see an option labeled as Universal Serial Bus Controller. Just click on it and you should see your Arduino board listed here. If it appears here, that means your drivers are installed correctly and your computer can communicate with Arduino. If you don't see it, double check that the drivers were installed during setup or reinstall the IDE. And once your board is recognized, you are ready to upload your first sketch. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and set up your Arduino IDE on your Windows laptop or PC. You can now start programming your Arduino board and bringing your electronic project to life. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.